Good morning, you guys. Say good morning, guys.
Good morning.
What are we doing today?
Making a pulley.
What are we building?
Pulley.
A pulley, yes. And what does a pulley do, EJ?
It carries stuff.
It carries stuff, yes. But guess what? We can also carry things with our hands. What makes it different when we're building a pulley than using our hands?
Pulleys are more easier.
Okay. There. Okay. All right. EJ, I know we're building a pulley today, but guess what? We can also carry things with our hands. What makes it different when we're building a pulley than using our hands?
Pulleys are more easier.
They help us move objects easier because we use less muscle to pick up things. When we're picking up things, we have to bend our knees and we have to squat a little bit and carry the heavy object. But when we're using something with a tire and a rope around the tire, it makes it easier to pick up.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and build that. Okay, so the supplies that we need is cardboard. And we're gonna make this pulley system out of cardboard. So cardboard, some toilet rolls. You're gonna need about 5 toilet rolls. And 1 paper towel roll.
Why I grabbed into this?
Wait! And you're also going to need
that's mine.
box, just like this.
Mom, that's mine, you know.
We're gonna use it for the project. Alright. And all of this is with recycled material.
Wait, this is what for EJ's classroom?
Of course it is, yeah.
Yeah. And
So,
I'm going to be building in...
The first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to glue these pieces right here like this. Alright. And the next piece we're going to glue is this one. A little carrying basket. So let's put glue right here, Eli. Right here. Around. And let's put it on the cardboard.
Okay, I need
Good job, Eli.
need all of these pieces. Okay, Mommy. I'll just keep those over there. And
Alright, so let's move this over here so we can dry it. So, this one, we're going to stand it up like this. And then you notice that this part is cut curved. That's because this piece is going to go on here like this. And we're going to glue it, Eli, okay?
yeah.
Alright. So let's put glue around, no wait. We're going to put glue around this one right here.
Even with Legos.
Even with Legos, yes.
Because there's going to be a Lego video on the next one.
Alright, go ahead and get the 2, Eli. Oh, no, this one. Hold on. We got, look, Eli. We got different size tubes right here. We got 3 white ones, right? Which one is taller?
This one. Wait, Mom, I made a mess.
Yeah, that's why I looked at him, because he made a mess. All right.
Why don't make a mess?
It's okay. We could clean it up.
Mom, I didn't even make a mess.
There's glue on the table.
I didn't make that.
When you dropped it, the glue touched the table.
Oh, I forgot that was how to.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways,
Start.
this one is the tallest from the white ones, right?
Yeah.
So the tall one is gonna go over there, but this medium one, it's gonna go.
That was kind of weird. Right here, where's?
The medium one is gonna go on top here, Eli. So let's go ahead and put this over here.
Yeah, good.
Hold on, we're gonna turn it like that. We're gonna paste it down like that. Excellent. Okay, guys, this is what we have right now.
I have to take that off.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, bye.
We are back, okay?
We're back.
We are back, and we brought the Pulley stuff. So, we got the extra tube right here.
I got it right here.
We got our carrying basket that we made. And we got the foundation of our pulley system. Go ahead and take it out, EJ.
Come on. I got 3.
Scoot back, you guys, so they can see. The other way, EJ.
Oh no, it fell.
Alright, so here we go.
And the other side.
Hold on, son. Like this. There you go. Alright. We basically glued this area to the inside of the box.
My box.
Part. Alright. So, EJ, we're going to put this tube inside these areas. So, go ahead and slide it through, EJ. Okay. Let mommy try.
Hard, guys. That's very hard.
We just have to bend it a little bit, okay, guys? Alrighty. Here you go. Ow, I'm starting to think that maybe
I told you guys, it's too hard. If you do this at home, it's too hard. Let your parents do it.
That's why we're doing it together. Hey, looks like Mom made it fit.
What?
And that's why there should be an adult present so we can help our little ones figure this out.
Hey, I'm not a little one. I'm a... But
There we go. See? We put it through.
Wait.
Alrighty. Now we're going to need that string, guys.
Hey, let me help you.
So, let's detangle this string, everybody. We're going to put this string through here.
I got it.
Put it in there, you
got it.
Okay, bud. You got the end.
Okay. Oh. I thought there was a hole
Alright. Okay. EJ, we're going to put the basket together. We're going to take turns now. Alrighty. Here, Eli. Go ahead and keep rolling it, buddy. So, one end of the yarn will go on this rolling contraction. Okay? This is going to be used to roll around the string. We're going to tape it. Okay. So, here we go. We taped it right here. And now we're going to start rolling the string like this.
So. Are you serious?
And there it goes. It's starting to roll.
Mom, there's a knot.
It's alright, we'll detangle it right now.
Guys, that was showing.
Good job, Eli. Keep rolling it. Keep rolling it. Alright, EJ. So in the meantime, we're gonna poke holes in the carrying basket. This is our carrying basket, and we're gonna poke holes right in the middle. Alrighty. So here's the other hole that I made, everybody. We're just gonna use the scissors to poke the hole in the box. Come on. Come over here. So we're gonna stab it right here. Grab the scissors, Eli.
Oh, Mom,
Yes.
it got out.
What do you mean it got out?
Yeah.
You have to pay attention, EJ. There. Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Hold on. Alright, hold it like this. Well, you're gonna need it actually like this because you're gonna poke the hole. Alright. Make sure we do this together with a parent. Alright, keep the scissors
Mom,
closed,
it doesn't
Eli.
want to go.
And then we're gonna poke. Then we're gonna twist it around, and we did our hole. Ta-da! Alrighty.
Mom,
Alright, so now we're gonna use some string. Okay, so we're gonna put this hole through here.
Mom, I'm touching the sharpness.
And then we're gonna put this string through here.
You serious? Mom, I need help with the toilet roll.
Alright, Eli, do you wanna keep rolling? Alright, you guys. So now we place the string in the carrying basket. We poke the holes and we put the string through the holes. Now we just have to roll up the rest of the string. So let's go ahead and roll it up.
You can make it all different kinds, you know? It's going to work.
Let's see. Oh, it is lifting it up. Look at that. Let's keep rolling it.
Oh my gosh, it's like magic.
Alright, put it down, EJ. There you go. That's a quick drop. And that's a quick pickup. That's good. Good job.